Everyone wants to be successful in life. Who doesn't want to be successful? Maybe you can't find a people who doesn't want to be successful in life. There are no specific rules for success. There are certain things that must be followed to achieve success. The word success varies from person to person. Some may be successful in getting daily meal, and some may be successful in having $1 million. While attitude toward success vary from person to person, there are something that we can easily achieve if we adhere to our success. Success doesn't mean that you have to be very big in educational qualification or you have to have 2 or 3 cars, but the main purpose is to be mentally educated and mentally successful. You have to believe you have the ability to get success, because people suffer from mental problem more than they suffer from physical problem when they don't get success. Fear is one of them. Many have the ability to work or do something good, but they can't move forward because of fear and can't believe in themselves, and that's the big failure. So you have to prepare yourself mentally first and keep yourself ahead mentally. We will discuss this issue openly, so stay with us. So hello viewers, I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you all are well. So I will request the well-wisher of ForexBD, subscribe ForexBD's another new channel. Here you will find all the videos, and those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. So here are the things to keep in mind to be successful. First one is, don't waste time thinking about unnecessary things. You have to believe that what is happening in your life is happening for your good. And so don't waste time thinking unnecessarily about things that are moving away from your life. Instead, divert your thinking to good things in life. You can't keep yourself stuck in old thoughts. The door must be opened for new ideas. Don't waste time thinking about past. To fall into all these things means to fall into the past. He who is always stuck in the past will never be able to improve, because what has happened can't be changed with thousands of attempts. It's better to think about your future than show your skill. The more you think about the thing that you don't get, the more frustration will be created in you, and the frustration will destroy you. The one who succeeds in the battle of life is the one who can control himself the most. Second one is, don't do what is not right for you. Before making any decision or doing anything, consider whether you are really qualified for the job or why you are doing what you are really going to do. In other words, there are many things that we do for the happiness of others or to protect the mind of others. But remember, never cheat with your own. Do that thing what you want. Maybe the people around you will force you to engage in those things, but keep your ideas and keep yourself away from the things that you think are not going with you. Before you start any work, make sure that you can do it well and that is for you. It's good to do what you are interested in or what you are understand best. Third one is, prioritize your own thought at work. It's not possible to make everyone happy. Do things that keep you mentally happy. It's much harder to happy other, but much easier to satisfy own self. And so instead of trying unsuccessfully to please others, work for your own satisfaction, because it's not possible for you to make everyone happy together. You may be able to continue to work you are doing to make others happy, but the chance of success in that work will be very low, because reluctance or annoyance will work in you due to not having your own will, or you will not be able to give your full effort even if you want. Fourth one is, try to do something good. There is huge difference between good and perfect. You can do good thing but not perfect thing. No one can be perfect, and of course you have to believe in something good. You always have the desire to do something good. Have you ever noticed that a student did not want to pass the exam? He get GPA 5 in the exam? No, it didn't happen because he didn't have the wish. That's why if you want to do something good, you must expect something good and act accordingly. Fifth one is, everything has to be seen in a big way. No task is small. All successful men never see any work as small. It's important to remember that no matter how low a person's work is not a small thing. That's why every work should be viewed with respect. No work can be seen as small. The work that you have thrown away thinking that this is small, maybe many people have got success in life with that work. There is no need to neglect any work. If we look at the biography of successful people in the world, everyone has started doing small things. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan used to sell lemon and food for extra income. But today he is one of the world's most powerful president. So there is no chance to neglect any work. Last one is always want to know. Thinking deeply about each subject and wanting to know about it will undoubtedly help you to build your knowledge more strongly. If you don't want to know why this is so, why it's not, you will never know deeply about it. And why successful people get success? Because only this way you can be aware of many unknowing aspects. If you don't want to know, then you will never know. You have to want to know. If you don't want to know, how do you know? He will know more in a class who asked the question more because he wanted to know, so he knows more. Everything depends on your will. If you don't want to do something, it will never happen. If you force it, it may be happen, but it will not happen accordingly. So of course, do everything from yourself and do everything accordingly. So viewers, hopefully you can understand our today's video and hopefully you can work accordingly. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.